Welcome back to the channel, to all my loyal viewers and subscribers, and welcome to all the new viewers. Now in today's video, we're going to talk about an armed robbery that took place at a bar located in Linders Hill, Westmoreland. So the clip you see at the beginning of the video, we have the entire video to show you guys. But firstly, what really are going on in Jamaica? What's really the issue? Because in recent times, there have been nothing but quadruple, double, and triple loss of life taking place in the country. And it's very devastating. Because I don't understand how the country or how the criminals them in the country get so inhumane. Nobody is off limit. Not the elderly, not the children. Nobody is spared. If them go up on a ends for one person, and them say 10, they're gonna take the life of 10 person. And Jamaican wasn't like this. So I don't really understand what go on in the country. And for all of the people them, when them say police do them work, I try to intervene and I say these boys are not criminal. I'm gonna play the video and you guys tell me what you think about this situation. Or what you think the police should do when police hold man like them in a them situation here. Because them don't have pity for nobody, you know. Could have the poor man, the rich man, the elderly, female, or the kids. Nobody is exempt when them criminal here come. So I'm gonna play the video and you guys tell me what you feel about this in the comment section and what you think the police should do. Because trust me now, Jamaica won't get better until the citizens of Jamaica, the regular citizens of Jamaica may attack, decide say that too much is going on and enough is enough. So you guys tell me about this video, what you think. So as you can see in the video, a white Pro Box pull up. A female and a young child, which seems like it's a boy, were outside the bar. And as you guys can see now, this is early in the night. This is not no wee hours of the morning. As you can see, multiple vehicles are traverse the main road. The man them jump out of the vehicle. Around two of them, at least two of them, have high power weapon, and the rest of them have small weapons. First and foremost, we want to know how much man hold in a one vehicle. After them rob the place, you can see them put all of them loads in the back of the vehicle, and then the 6 man them go back inside of the vehicle. How is that even possible? Them criminal here is very daring with them crime. So the only other way, you can't use soft method to deal with criminals like this. You have to use brute force. Some people might say it's not right, but guess what? In a situation like this and a crisis, desperate times call for desperate measures. The police force have to just wipe out them man here. There's no two way about it. And as I was saying at the beginning, the police force and the government alone can't stop it. It's we as a normal civilian or citizens of the country in them community here. Because I know it's not a rich man own the bar here. Maybe the female have the bar here, so, or she work for somebody and she need the bar. She need the proceeds from the bar for sending her little child to school. She maybe have more than one child. And them criminal here, them young boy here who don't want to work, decide so them are going to take it. So what she supposed to do now? What her family and her child supposed to do now? We see people on social media laugh and say, oh, so much man holding at the vehicle. This is not a laughing matter. This definitely is not a laughing matter. Because some people might say it now affect them, so guess what? Them not really business. But until it reach your doorstep, or you experience or one of your family member lose them life in a situation like this, at them time they are gonna cry foul. And them time they gonna be too late. I'm not saying you're supposed to rob the rich because in an R level is wrong. But at least if you're gonna rob, how much money you think you can make out of them poker boxes? Because as you can see them move around 4 or 5 poker boxes. A couple thousand. That can't buy tomorrow, you buy 2 liquor and buy 2 weed out of that. The whole of the money they gone already. So what is sense in a robbing a poor people like that? And maybe you could have thief the box them and the box them empty. And when me say the citizens will play them role, I mean the citizens will be Superman or be a hero or try to stop it in the commission of the crime. I never expect that. I mean, I expect that. I don't expect people to behave like them an idiot or go like them a superhero. What I mean is, somebody, the person who know them, not care how much mask they say them have and how much shirt them have on over them face. The people them who know them personally. Based on how them look, based on them statute, them can know. If you know a person, you know him. Him could have on 10 masks. So when time you know them person here, you see something, you say something. You don't have to give up your identity. Because the notion is that when time people, civilians tell police things, police go back. You have 911, you have Crime Stop, where you don't have to identify yourself. You have 311 where you can call and inform the police. Sometimes it's just information, You think say most of the first world country them, they have better criminals or them have better citizens than we Jamaicans. No, it's just that when them see something, them say something. When you see something, you say something. There's a popular quote that say, it only take evil to strive when a good man stand aside and don't do nothing. As I say, I not tell a man to put him life at risk, life and family at risk. What I'm saying is, you see something, say something. And don't obligate with people, with criminals. If you have your son with a criminal, if you have your brother with a criminal, you make them know so them need to change from them ways. You can't go around and rob 95 and for poor people and feel like that are okay and feel like some people are alright with you. And we can bet if somebody in the bar and put up any form of resistance, they will lose them life. Because in a group like this, you always have 1 or 2 jumpy, trigger happy, waste man, You always. That's why when I was a cop, when I was a police in Jamaica, when I ramp with boy like them, anytime we hold them straight dirt. Anytime we hold boy like them straight dirt. There's no two way about it. We not talk about carrying the boy to jail for no form of rehabilitation. Them boy have to just dirt straight. And when people come and shut off them mouth, you run them way. Because the only way you can deal with them farmer criminal here. Them youth them don't want to work. Them a scam and people are say low the scam of them. But at the same scamming money them a take and buy all sort of high power weapon. If them that develop them community and a build house and invest them money where them a scam from people, it is a bad and not too bad. But them a take the same money. If a man chop 100 or 200,000, first thing he might think about is to go buy a gun. So how is that right? And if you talk to him, he might come follow your shot. Jamaica do better than that, man. Jamaica we need to do better than that. And as I say, this not gonna stop until we as a citizen play our part. So let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section. If you disagree with me, I say you let me know in the comment section so we can have a discussion about it. And please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel for content like this and others. And like I always said, remember to hug your loved ones. See you in the next video.